Welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make the overlay close after some certain duration of seconds. So we're going to select the frame, we come here and add interaction. Then we change the on click to after delay. Then we want the action towards close the overlay. Now, how many seconds do you want the overlay to delay from here? Let's say we make it 1000, that is 1 second. So let's go back now and restart our prototype. Then once we click open overlay, after 1 second, it has closed. So maybe you want the success message to close after 1 second, so you can update it to 1000 milliseconds. Now if you come back here again, click on it and change it to 2000 milliseconds. So go back and restart your prototype. Once I click on open overlay, after some seconds, it also closes. So this is how you can achieve the auto close of the overlay using the after delay. So in the next lecture, we're going to explore more features.